Roblox Error 280 means your Roblox version is out of date, preventing you from joining games. This happens because of a version mismatch between your client and the game server. To fix it immediately, first, close Roblox completely. Then visit the official Roblox website, roblox.com, and download the latest installer. If you're on a mobile device, iOS, Android, update the app through the App Store or Google Play. This ensures you have the most current version, resolving the incompatibility and allowing you to join your game. If a simple update doesn't work, start by clearing the Roblox cache. On Windows, delete the Roblox folder and send local app data %. On Mac, find it in /libraries application support. Then restart your device. Next, temporarily disable any antivirus software, as it may interfere with Roblox updates. Make sure you have a stable internet connection while updating Roblox. Avoid using third-party launchers and stick to the official Roblox launcher. To prevent future occurrences, enable auto updates in your Roblox settings. If issues continue, use the built-in Roblox repair tool or completely reinstall the app.